Hello everyone, welcome to another very simple and very actually insane video tutorial. Today I will show you how to build a calculator app in 1 minute using ChatGPT-4. So look at this. I first gave ChatGPT 3 or 4. You can do this in any ChatGPT really. I basically inputted, can you build a simple calculator app with HTML and CSS? ChatGPT gave me this, right? Then I said, okay, can you give me a full code for this in HTML and CSS? It gave me a full code with HTML right here and CSS right here, although it cut off right here as you can see. So what I did is I basically copied the CSS code and the HTML code in livewave.com. So it's weave.com, and then here on the left side I copied the HTML, and on the right side down below, or on the left side down below, I copied the CSS, and here I basically got the calculator app, right? As you can see, obviously it's not working as good, right? Obviously you can try it out with different type of prompts, right? But as you can see, this is pretty much how it works, right? And then obviously you can customize it however you want. You can do this maybe here, right? Or maybe background color can be black, for example, right? And stuff like that, right? So that's pretty much it, right? Obviously if you want to know more about this, you can comment down below, share your opinions, feedback, but this is pretty much how to build a calculator app in 1 minute, which is just insane. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.